The last thing anybody wants to do after being out on the water all day is have to come home and wash and flush their jet ski. The WavesRX new flush, wash, and rinse kit makes this a breeze and really speeds up the process. Let's go over this new offering from WavesRX, and then at the end of the video, I'll have a special discount for you. This kit comes nicely packaged and comes with everything you need to wash, flush, and rinse your ski off. You just need to assemble it for the very first time, and then it'll be ready to go after that. You want to go ahead and add all your quick connect fittings to all the attachments and make sure you have all the right grommets in the right place, or else you'll get leaks. Once you have all the quick connect fittings on there, you can easily change between different attachments, which makes cleaning a breeze. Then lastly, add the quick connect to the end of your garden hose. I'm going to start out by using the foam cannon first. You can use any kind of soap you want, but I use the WavesRX Epic Wash. I think this is a great product and really helps get rid of some of that salt that's left on the ski after every ride. The reservoir has nice markers for how much soap to put in versus how much water, so you just fill the soap up to the soap line and then you add your water all the way up to the fill line. So now you can turn the foam cannon on and start spraying the ski. You have a little dial here on the top where you can add more or less soap just depending on what you want. Having a foam cannon makes it really easy to just clean the ski. All you need is a brush or a wash mitt to scrub the ski down, and then you're ready to just rinse the ski off. The included rinse nozzle is fully adjustable, so you can get whatever kind of water pattern you desire. As you can see, with just a few simple steps, we were able to clean this ski up very nice. But now let's move on to flushing the engine. When rinsing out the engine, you're going to want to use something that's going to neutralize the salt. Here I'm using the WavesRX Epic Flush. So on this Yamaha, I'm going to start the engine and then turn the water on, and then you can adjust how much product you want to add to the flushing cycle. So as you can see, flushing and washing this ski was very simple. This is going to save me a lot of time and effort washing and flushing the ski after a long day out on the water. I do have a 15% off discount code. It's going to be SHACK15, and that's going to be good for their entire website. They have a ton of cool products for boats and watercraft, so be sure to go check that out. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.